Holly the Hammerhead Shark decided it was time for a new look and swam over to the trendy underwater salon, Wave Trims. With her favorite celebrity shark magazine in tow, featuring all the latest reef fashion, she confidently requested the ever-popular Seafarer Swoop. The salon stylist, Slick the Stingray, seemed more focused on his own reflection than Holly's instructions. After several squid ink spills and a few accidental snips, Holly was left with a lopsided patchwork fringe, resembling a worn coral reef. Utterly embarrassed, yet somehow amused, Holly couldn't help but chuckle when she caught sight of her reflection, realizing she now looked like an abstract ocean painting. Her friends' giggles soon made her realize that unexpected styles spark the best laughs underwater.